Hey everyone, I have a review of some really nice athletic socks by the brand Wander. I have reviewed quite a few of their socks and I'm always very happy with the quality, comfort, and price of them. And this one is no different. So this particular one is a men's athletic sock and it comes in a few different color variations. I'll put the link as usual in the description for you guys to check it out. They come in a pack of 7 pairs, so one for each day of the week. These are a quarter cut or a low cut style running sock, so it just goes right up to your ankles. The sock is made out of a blend of polyester, nylon, and a little bit of cotton, so it doesn't shrink too much in the wash, though the cotton percentage is enough for it to shrink slightly. The sock is divided basically in two portions. The bottom part, where the soles of your feet are with the most impact, has the most cushioning, and you can definitely feel it just by touching the sock. Then the top of the sock is much thinner, has less cotton content, so that allows moisture to escape from your feet. Very crucial for a running sock. Also very nicely tailored is towards the center where your arch is in your feet. That section becomes more narrow and thus it has a higher content of spandex to hug that part of your feet much better. So when you're wearing it, there isn't that extra fabric hanging around towards the center of your feet. So I definitely do really appreciate the thought process that went into designing these socks. It makes them very comfortable to wear. They hug my feet very nicely. They're moisture wicking, all properties that you look for in a running sock, and they don't break the bank. I do like that the overall color choice of this is pretty subtle. It has a little bit of pop of color in the center to give it a little bit more unique look. My only tiny little suggestion is towards the back at the heel area. I think the bottom gray portion sticks out a little bit too high. I would prefer that is not showing when I'm wearing my sneakers with them, but that's just a little bit of a minor complaint. For the most part, I would say these run pretty close to true to size and they don't shrink too much during the wash, but if you are between sizes, you could definitely play on the safe side and just order the size up. Once again, I have the product link in the description so you guys can check them out.